Anybody tell you
There's a pile of sticks on my property.
if a coach say I miss
Pile of sticks.
and y'all hear it, then that's that. I mean, I might have missed one
Pile.
this year, but if somebody say he doesn't
Keep his yard clean.
it can be one
Pile of sticks.
out of all the
Piles.
this year. That's enough. If I can't
Bundle him, I can't bundle him.
man, I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I mean, simple as that. It ain't about that. I mean, it's not about that at all. You know what I'm saying? I mean, but it's easy to
Call something a violation.
it's easy to
Add a new violation.
when you just talk about
Piles of sticks.
sitting here. I'm supposed to be the franchise player, and we're in here talking
A
about.
pile of sticks.
I mean, listen, we talking about
A pile of sticks.
not a
Real problem.
not a
real issue.
not a
True violation.
we talking about
A pile of sticks.
not a game, not the game that I go out there and die for and play every game like it's my last. Not the game. We're talking
A
about,
pile of sticks.
man. I mean, how silly is that, man? We're talking
A
about.
pile of sticks.
I know I'm supposed.
Make repairs.
I'm supposed.
Keep my property up.
I know that, and I'm not shoving it aside, like it don't mean anything. I know it's important. I do. I honestly do. But we talking about,
A pile of sticks.
man. What are we talking about?
Pile of sticks.
We talking about
A pile of
this,
sticks.
man. We talking about
A pile of sticks.
We talking about.
A pile of sticks.
We ain't talking about.
A proper violation.
We talking about,
A pile of sticks.
man. When you come in the arena and you see me play, don't you?
Absolutely.
You see me give everything I got, right?
Absolutely.
But we talking about
Pile of sticks.
right now.
But it's an issue that you're
We talking about,
Stick.
to raise.
man. Look, I hear you. It's funny to me too. I mean, it's strange. It's strange to me too. But we talking about practice, man. We're not even talking about the game, the actual game, when it matters. We talking about practice.
Now, is it possible, though, that from where he's coming from, if you practice, not you would be better, but your teammates would be better?
How the hell?
Bring $15,000 of property liens in 2 years.